That guy is enjoying a New England style lobster roll, except it's keto. And that guy is me. And this is how I did it. First, I deshelled a 1 pound lobster and about 8 ounces of steamed king crab. Oh man, look how good that looks. Shellfish like this is high in protein and selenium. Selenium is a powerful antioxidant that protects your body against inflammation, the underlying cause of many chronic conditions. After separating the meat, I diced it into 1/2-inch chunks and collected it in a bowl. Next, I sliced and finely diced a few stalks of celery, high in fiber. I removed fresh parsley leaves, which are loaded with nutrients, from their stems, chopping and collecting about 2 tablespoons worth. I then collected some chives that I keep in a jar by my kitchen window. I bought these in a bag from my local supermarket. With water and sunlight, just 1 bunch of chives can last you weeks. And like the prior ingredients, I chopped these and set them aside. The next step called for 1/3 cup of mayonnaise. I used avocado mayonnaise. If you can, avoid vegetable and soybean oil based mayonnaise. Those may be cheaper, but they're highly inflammatory. And now to bring it all together. Lobster rolls are a tradition in New England. And for good reason, they're freaking delicious. And while you could replace the lobster with shrimp or crab alone, it's just not the same without lobster. It's my best Boston accent. Before mixing the ingredients, squeeze the shit out of 1/2 a lemon. I added freshly ground black pepper to taste, Himalayan sea salt, and a couple dashes of hot sauce. I used Cholula, but use what you like. And once all ingredients were mixed, I started on the bread. The bread buns I used in this recipe are from a brand called 𝗟𝗍. At 6 carbs per serving, these keto buns are hands down the best I've ever had. And for this recipe in particular, it's essential that you toast them in butter. I purchased these locally, but you can also order them online. But if you can't do that, or you want to go even lower carb, you can make your own by clicking the link above. At last, the moment we've all been waiting for. This dish has everything. Protein for muscle building, healthy fats for energy, plenty of fiber, loads of age-defying antioxidants, and all this with tons of flavor. Ladies and gentlemen, may I present the New England Lobster Roll. Did you enjoy this video? If so, crush that like button like I crushed that sandwich. While you're at it, wash it down with a cold low-carb beer, choosing from any one of the 6 listed in my last video. For everyday keto, you can also follow me on Instagram at @TheRealKetoCrush. Keto Crush. Eat healthy, feel great. Look hot.